Hey, geography students, this is Mr. Lai here. I am just going to show you how to download the education version of Minecraft so you guys can join us Thursday and Friday. Again, this is not required, it's completely optional. Something fun to do, something fun to do with your friends. I'm going to get a server set up and we're going to have a heck of a time. So, how do you exactly download Minecraft? And again, it has to be the education version in order for it to be free. And that's how you're going to access our server. So, all you're going to do is go to Google and just type in Minecraft Education Edition. It should be education.minecraft.net. And then you're going to see download. And then, depending on if you have Windows or Apple, you're going to be downloading right underneath where it says recommended for your device. So for me, it's Windows Desktop. If you have an Apple, then it's going to be probably for a Mac. Hit download now. And it's a pretty big file, 307 megabytes. So it is going to take a little bit to download. And it is going to save to your desktop on your computer. Now, what's super cool is because we are a Microsoft Office district, we actually have free access to Minecraft Education Edition. It's a part of the whole package, and just found out about this a couple months ago, and I've been really itching to bring it into the classroom. So, for those of you guys that are really comfortable with Minecraft, you guys are going to be teaching me how to do this game. I've only played probably maybe 3 hours worth, to be honest with you. But again, I'm hosting the server. We're going to get everything set up. And again, the goal is to have fun with this. So mine has finished downloading. So I am going to simply click where it says Minecraft Education.exe under where the downloads are. And I've only used Google Chrome for this. Make sure you have the Google Chrome browser in order to download this. Make sure it's in English and then hit next. Next. Accept. Next. Next. Next install. Cue Jeopardy music right now as we're waiting. And obviously, if you can download this before we start at 2 o'clock, that's going to be ideal so you don't have to spend so much time trying to get it set up when we are actively doing our project and actively Minecrafting. So try to get this done ahead of time. Now, for those of you guys that are not aware of how to play Minecraft, you have to use WASD for your movement. So W is going to be forward, A is going to be to the left, S is going to be back, and D is to the right. Your E button is going to be bringing up your inventory, so where all your stuff is. Space bar is to jump. All right, hit finish. Now it's easiest to play this Minecraft edition with a mouse. So if you do have a computer mouse, I would get that out. It's just going to be a lot quicker, a lot easier. I don't have a mouse right now, but I'm going to go get one before Thursday here. So it is actively downloading and trying to boot up the program here. There we go, and it is good to go. It's going to say sign in required. And if you are signed into a Office 365 account already, then you're good to go and it's going to automatically do that. But if you are not, it's going to have you enter your username. So for me, it's andrew.ley at k12.sd.us. For you, it's going to be something different. It's going to be whatever your username is at k12.sd.us and then your normal password. And that's going to sign you into this. Then just hit accept on the licensing agreement. Okay. And boom shakalaka, there we go. We are on the screen. This is my fiance right here. We're just making sure everything's working. In order to access someone's server, so in order to join our game, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to play, and you're going to hit join world right here. And I'm going to give you a join code. That's going to be on my website. I'll post that up around 1:45 so that you can enter the code. And it's a combination of different pictures. So if I say pickaxe, water bucket, fish apple, then you're going to do that in your join code and then hit confirm, and it's going to take you right to our server and we can get going. So if you have any questions, just feel free to email me at andrew.ley@k12.st.us. Again, we're going to limit this server to 30 people. It's going to be the first 30 that are in the world. So again, Thursday is going to be in creative mode, and we're going to be designing and actively building a huge Mayan temple. Again, the Mayans were a group of indigenous or native people down in Mexico and Central America, and they had these extravagant temples. And then Friday, we're going to actually take our template, our temple that we created on Thursday, and we're going to create a survival game out of that. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great night.